Today, in the modern society and fast life, women's priorities include not just caring about family and kids, but also building business and career, leaving no time to care about her health and regular checkups, often not suspecting about developing health issues. According to research by leading healthcare organizations, early diagnostics and observation may significantly reduce risk of severe women's health problems.
Our projects help to solve this problem and allow the users to receive reminder about a regular visit to this clinic. We have a developer notification system which connect to file data storage, analyze patient data and gives notification to visit the doctor.
Now I'd like to describe our project. This system is a set of components, the server part based on InterSystems Iris for Health, a cloud-based file server, and two client parts, Telegram bot reminder and web GUI. The server part analyzes patient's data and sends a notification to visit a doctor or to do laboratory examinations via the Telegram bot. So, the Telegram bot is used to receive notifications. To start using it, find our bot in the Telegram app and select the Start command. To register, select Registration and enter data in the format name, last name, date of birth, separated by a space. We prepared data from two users to test the system. At this moment, the system checks if the user is in file and if the data is entered correctly, the system notifies you of successful registration. By default, the user receives 1 notification per day, if any, as well as doctor's recommendations after appointments. But to get more notifications suitable for the user, select command Next Notification. For a list of all commands, select Help. To stop the bot, select Stop. Administrator use web-based GUI interface to configure recommendations. By default, our system provides two types of recommendations from WHO, for different age groups and for pregnancy management. But you can also add custom recommendations from doctors or hospitals. To do this, press the plus button and enter the data in the relevant fields. If the recommendation has been successfully added, a notification will appear. It's also possible to view a list of sent recommendations for each user. To find out more about our project, follow this link.
We hope that our bot reminder help women to feel good and stay healthy.
And our open source project will help you to innovate and solve complex healthcare issues.